Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at using the built-in style sheets to customize the look and feel of designer applications. You can change the looks of your designer applications by modifying their cascading style sheets, or CSS in short. Style sheets can give your application a unique look and can change the properties like colors, spacing, font types, and many other visual elements. Spreadsheet Web features a wide selection of pre-built style templates that you can choose from. Let's see how this works on an example. To modify the style of your application, go to the Style Sheets menu in the Designer interface. On this page, you will see all active style sheets for this application. Click Add Style Sheet to add a new style sheet into your application. Here, you can choose from existing templates in the system from the Style Template property. The system will show you a preview of each style. Once you're happy with your selection, give your style a name. Note that this is only a friendly name and will not be displayed to the end users. Click Update to apply the style sheet into your application. Now let's do a quick preview and see our changes. With this style, the buttons, fonts, and the controls in general all look different. You can add multiple style sheets into your application, effectively combining properties from multiple sets of CSS code. For example, you can use either the Grid 1 or Grid 2 templates on top of others. These two templates only affect the properties of grid controls. The order at which style sheets are displayed on the Style Sheets page will determine their load order during runtime. This means that the top style sheet will be loaded first, then the second, and so on. Due to the precedence rules of CSS, the bottom style sheet will have the highest precedence. This means that if style sheet 1 assigns a value to a property, style sheet 2 could override that value if they are pointing to the same selector. You can drag and drop the style sheets to change their order.